With the Ludlow system, mattresses are not picked, but gathered from the case several at a time, as you see here in slow motion. See how quickly and easily the mattresses are gathered into word groups and placed into a stick several at a time. Note also that the Ludlow mattresses have the character and font engraved on the back. This serves for easy recognition by the compositor. Note also the rope's construction. The space case contains a set of universal spaces of all sizes from 6 points to 36 points. The spaces are easily inserted and the stick is then locked by the turn of a screw. The stick is then placed into the machine and locked firmly in position. The motor is started and the machine set in motion by the lifting of a lever. The slug is then cast, trimmed, and ejected onto a galley at the front of the machine. Here is the same operation at working speed. By the turn of a knob, the machine will continuously cast any given amount of slugs. A Ludlow shed job offers many handling advantages in composition and makeup. No longer is the compositor haunted by the nightmare of type dropping out or falling over. With Ludlow composition, forms stay put. Lines are set in solid slugs, and once okayed, stay that way, without a chance of transposition, work-up, or fallout. With the obvious advantages of simplicity and speed of production, Ludlow rule form enables printers to earn extra profit in both composition room and press room. Notice how one slug will interlock with the next, ensuring perfect alignment. With the Ludlow, you have the choice of two body sizes, 6 point or 12 point, and the mould length can be any measure up to 25 m's. Long lines are set and cast in units of mould length. The line of mattresses is set and placed without any regard to the length of the individual slugs making up the full measure. The self-centering stick is used for centering slugs on any given measure up to mould length. The stick can also be used for self-quadding. The offset stick is adjustable within a range of 6 points for bringing different size mattresses into any desired alignment. And once adjusted for a given alignment, lines of a similar style caps and small, for instance, can be set with ease. The italic stick, as well as italic matrices, is made on the slant, so it is possible to cast italics without overhanging turns. The blank slug block, a standard part of Ludlow equipment, is used for the production of spacing material. Here again, we see the Ludlow machine in operation. This time, we are continuous casting blank slugs. The metal composition of Ludlow slugs is 4% tin, 11% antimony, and the balance lead. This is the same as other popular type casting machines, therefore eliminating the necessity of line separation on completion of the job. Ludlow produces slugs at the rate of 8 a minute. See how the Ludlow spaces fit underneath the characters of the slug. What are the uses of Ludlow? Here are a few examples. The rubber stamp manufacturer and for producing rubber plates. For newspaper headlines and display setting. For all classes of rule form work. And for advertisement and general jobbing setting. In the index to our typeface catalogue, you can see the wide range of Ludlow typefaces that are available. And, of course, Ludlow are always producing new faces to keep up with the times. What service does Ludlow give? An efficient stores department are always on hand to supply any parts required. And our engineers are available at all times in the necessity of a breakdown or service. For the benefit of present Ludlow users, here are some of the advantages of the new Ludlow Model M machine. Firstly, the increased rate of casting. Secondly, the improved drive, now given by a small V-belt, the whole operation being totally enclosed. The tabletop contains additional ribbing, 2 extra locks, and a 3rd back hinge, all ensuring rigidity. 2 pressure springs replace the 1 large spring. This gives even plunger stroke and a solid slug. The control panel now contains 2 contacts, cutouts to replace fuses, and color-coded wiring for ease of identification. The water tank has been replaced by a small refrigeration unit, giving self-contained water supply at a constant temperature. 2 thermostats, which are easily adjusted from the front, control crucible and mouthpiece temperatures. Here you see the ease with which table locks are adjusted. These, of course, are just some of the advantages of the new Ludlow Model M. We still, of course, retain the automatic feeder, keeping the crucible at a constant level, and all the safety fuses proven on the previous models. Can good printing and economy go hand in hand? They can, and indeed they do in the case of the Ludlow system. What other method of hand composition can offer a full range of modern type designs always in perfect condition? A dependable type supply, faster settings, rapid justification, quick form lockup, repeat casting in a flash for multiple forms, easy composition of rules, and equipment that takes up the minimum of floor space. Ludlow cuts out all wasteful work and ensures that all operating time is chargeable. Time U, changed to Ludlow.